I'm gonna show you around this messy farm. Got a lot going on. It's Friday and it's the middle of December and I'm out here in short sleeves. It's nice, but it's eternally spring or summer in our greenhouses. Let me show you what I got going on. All right, I'm walking up the greenhouse circle here. You see that little guy there? He's carrying troughs. It's my grandson, my youngest employee. This is Ella. And Nicole has just left, but she was working this morning. That is Ella's sister, Olivia. They are busy cleaning troughs because we completely emptied this out. And that's what this little guy is doing. He's putting them in here. 25. He's done 25 so far. But we gotta fill this back up. I cleaned it out. Did our yearly maintenance on this one. We do maintenance on every one of them every year, at least once a year, and clean them up real good to get any kind of algae and garbage out of here where bugs and disease can start. So anyway, that's what we got going on here. In the propagation house, we got things going on here as well. I'm repairing some of these. They have little pinholes that start up in these corners and it starts to leak. That's why that's there. But I'm fixing a bunch of them, getting them squared away so I can replace those over there, get those cleaned up. These guys are about ready to go out into the big trays. This is how we start these. These are seeds that Darlene planted just, if I can get that open, just the other day. They have not sprouted yet. Actually, that was yesterday. Yes, sir?
Can I take a popsicle break?
Yeah, go ahead. He needs his popsicle break. That's a perk for working on this farm. Anyway, we start them in here. They go to here, and when they're about this size, they come out and go into these wide trays out here. Yeah, somebody was asking how I did that, but anyway, they come from that propagation house. When they're about that size, they come out here, and they go into these wide troughs. These are actually made for fodder. I get them from Crop King. You can see that. I don't get paid by Crop King for anything, so anyway, to advertise, but these things work great for putting these 10-inch wide flats of Oasis in it and finish them off out here before they go into our finished trays. And this greenhouse is, most of this stuff will come out this week. Most of this is going to go to the casino this week. It's about ready. Beautiful colors, the red butters and the Cherokee and the Frizzes down there. Beautiful. I'm about ready to clean this one out. I've got one row of strawberries still in there. We're going to put some other things in there, maybe some cucumbers, peppers. We'll see. This one's a couple weeks out. Got a lot of young plants in here that we just planted out. This is number 2. This used to be my tomato house. And this one, they're all full, except for number 5, that first one I showed you. And this one is gonna go to the casino, most of it too, this week, so it'll have more babies in it. And there's more of that fodder tray stuff in there as well. And this over here is new. I told y'all I was building some buildings back here. This is a new shop. I'm not done with it, but I did get it set up back here. It's really a carport that I found, and I've closed it in, and I'm gonna finish putting metal on it, insulate it, whoops, excuse me, and we're gonna start working on our equipment out here. That, and when I can keep my 4-wheelers dry in the winter too, and spring. And we have some livestock, chickens. I'm just talking to Ella, that young lady up there that works for me. They just had a bull born. I think it was 3 days ago, and they have another cow in labor now. So they have cattle, goats, chickens, rabbits. I got a little bit of everything over there. And I don't know, I think she's got a YouTube channel. If she does, I'll put that in the description. It is Turner Farm is what they call it. And these ladies have been busy. You can see the eggs in there. They're supposed to be back here in the back. I'll show you that. And that's about a quick update of my farm. Oh, you suppose they want some food? They knocked that thing over. Wow. Let me show you how this works back here. Oh, there's an egg that rolled out. But these are clean. These are gravity fed. They lay the eggs inside and they roll out here. Real easy to harvest for those who play by the rules. These birds in this middle one do not. The blackbirds, they like laying in the ground. This is pretty amazing here. Lots of them. So that's it for today. Fensterfarm, December 2023. God bless. Go plant some dirt, some nutrient solutions, some fish water, whatever it takes to grow something, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Oh, and Merry Christmas, because I'm pretty sure I won't be, and Happy New Year, I won't be back before then. You know how terrible I am at keeping you guys up to date. Take care.